Okay, what I got for you today. Comb, Walmart, about $3.40 8.5 inches. Arts and crafts section. It's coated in aluminum foil, about 3-4 layers. And then we got Glad press and seal wrapped around that aluminum foil. And the Glad press and seal is sticky side up, so you don't want it sticking to the aluminum foil. And here's what that thing look like. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken, ground chicken if you want, but I took chicken breast and just put them in the blender on puree. We're gonna season that, and then we're gonna put it around this press and seal with some egg wash on the press and seal, of course. So egg wash, then put the chicken around it, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer so that it freezes around here and keeps the shape, so we can fry it and then fill it with different sides and things of the such, you know. So we about to get to it. I'm about to go season this, and then we're gonna get it done. Boom. Is the chicken all wrapped around? The egg wash, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gotta be perfect, you know, it look a little raunchy, but I mean, as long as it's coated and it's all connected, it's good. So I'm about to pop this little mofo in the freezer. You know, I done already cleared me out a whole shelf, you know what I'm saying? Bam, like a motherfucker. So I'm about to put this in here. And then it's gonna get to freezing, you know what I'm saying? I normally put ranch on all my chicken to let it marinate, but I ain't got no ranch, so it's just gonna be like this. Okay. Now for the rest of these are cups, like quick trip cups that are cut in half and shaped like a cone. So it's, you know, this is my extra. I use the poster board for this one, but yeah, you know, looking like a clan meeting right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to do these other 5. You know what I'm saying? So I can do 6 at a time. You know, the other one in here are being all crispy, like, hey, pretty. Let me get these other ones done. Also, the reason for the Glad wrap being sticky side up is so that it doesn't stick to aluminum foil, and when the chicken is frozen, you can just literally take it right off of the aluminum foil, and then you'll have your cone to be reused, and then you can pull the Glad wrap straight out the inside of the chicken because it's going to be hollow, so you can kind of just grab it and pull it out from the inside, and then you can fry it. So boom, all 6 of them done. You dig? Now we're gonna put this bitch in the freezer. I took the tray out of the freezer so I can put it on here, so I can just drag them all on that mofo rather than trying to finesse it up in there while the rest of them in there. You dig? So okay, they frozen, so you know you just want to take the cones and stuff out. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get to this. Hold on. This part just comes out, as I said, because I know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? And you're just gonna grab these, pull those in, you know. You can really just pull it from all sides because it kind of rotates. Pull it down. Just rotate. You can either yank it or you can be gentle with it, either one. But I'm gonna just pull it as I go. Then when you get towards the bottom, pull that hole out. Crispy. We just gonna have to rotate that. At least it goes halfway, so I only gotta rotate it once.
How you gonna feel on